newest update ni Go High Level, which is the wait action. So, ito yan mga mi, until a recurring windows opens. So, click natin yan. So, instead of waiting for a fixed amount of time, pwede na nating sabihin kay Go High Level kung kailan exactly dapat mag-proceed yung contact. So, here, under the frequency guys, makikita natin yung weekly, monthly, and yearly. For example, piliin natin yung weekly. Halimbawa guys, every Monday and Friday yung webinar. So, ang i-check lang natin dito guys is Monday and Friday. And yung time guys is of course the exact time of the event. Let's say 9 a.m. Dito naman guys, kapag ka naka-check yung on this date and time, ibig sabihin nun, maghihintay si Go High Level hanggang dumating yung next available schedule bago niya i-proceed yung workflow. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung before this date. Ito yon guys. Kung gusto mong mag-send ng reminder before the event. And you can also use after this date if may gusto kang isend sa lead after ng event. So, for example, guys, punta tayo sa before this date. Let's say, maglagay tayo dito ng 1 hour before the event. Ang maganda dito, guys, makikita mo na yung next 5 scheduled recurrence. So, magsisend siya ng 8 a.m. So, alam mo na tama yung ginawa mo. And guys, this new update is very helpful and perfect for webinars, coaching calls, live training, any recurring events. So, yun lang, guys. Bye!